Yes, now we'll discuss about the hip bone. In part 1, you have seen the features of the ilium. This is hip bone, and you have seen the features of the ilium. This hip bone is made up of 3 bones. Here is this is acetabulum. About 2/5 part of the acetabulum is formed by ilium, and 2/5 part formed by this is ischium, and 1/5 part by the pubis. So this is pubis. This bone is pubis. This is ischium, and this is ilium. And you know, this is, here you can see, this is a right side bone. This is iliac crest, and here is acetabulum, and here is this line of division of the acetabulum. Here one line, here one line, and here like this. So it has 2 ends. If you see, this is upper end, this is lower end. Here is lower end, this is lower end. So this is upper end, this is lower end. Upper end form the iliac crest. If you see iliac crest like this, is like this. This is anterior 2/3 part. This part is ventral part. From here to here, this is ventral part, and this part is dorsal part. So this is ventral, and this is posterior. 1/3 part is dorsal part. So this is dorsal part, this is ventral part. This is 2/3, this is 1/3. And here is tubercle. This is tubercle of the iliac crest. So here is tubercle of the iliac crest. It lies about 5 centimeter from anterior superior iliac spine. This is anterior superior iliac spine. From here, this tubercle lies 5 centimeter behind to this. So this is tubercle of iliac crest. And this anterior 2/3 part, if you see, it is like this. This part, this is intermediate part, and these are 2 lips. This is outer lip and this is inner lip. So here is outer lip. Here you can see this is outer lip, this is inner lip, and this is intermediate area. And in posterior part, this like this. It is like this. It has inner slope. This is outer slope. Here is outer slope. Here is inner slope. So posterior 1/3 part, that is dorsal part. So this is here is anterior superior iliac spine. This is posterior superior iliac spine. So this is anterior. This is posterior superior iliac spine. So this is upper end. So upper end is from the iliac crest. Lower end by 2/5 part of acetabulum and adjacent part of the bone, like this. This is lower end. And it has 3 borders. You can see here. This is anterior border. From here, anterior superior iliac spine to here is anterior inferior iliac spine. Here is slightly notch. So anterior superior iliac spine to here. This is upper 2/3 part. So this part is anterior border. So anterior border has anterior superior iliac spine and a notch, then anterior inferior iliac spine. So this is anterior border. This is anterior border from here to here. This is anterior superior. This is anterior superior iliac spine. This is anterior inferior iliac spine. Anterior superior iliac spine. Anterior inferior iliac spine. Anterior border. Now posterior border. If you see the posterior border, turn like this. This is posterior border. This is posterior border. Here You can see this is posterior border. From here, this is posterior superior iliac spine. This is posterior superior iliac spine. Posterior superior iliac spine. This is posterior inferior iliac spine. And here is greater sciatic notch. This notch is greater sciatic notch. If you see like this is greater sciatic notch. So this is greater sciatic notch. Greater sciatic notch. So it has anterior border, posterior border, anterior border, posterior border, posterior superior iliac spine, posterior inferior iliac spine, and greater sciatic notch. Here this is division. This is ilium, ischium, pubis. So anterior border, posterior border, anterior border, posterior border. Now another border is medial border. Here this is anterior border, this is posterior border, this border is posterior border, and this border is medial border. You can see this border is medial border. From inner aspect, if you see this is inner aspect. If you see, this is medial border from crest to iliopubic eminence. From iliac crest to iliopubic eminence. This is medial border. So anterior, posterior, and medial border. This is this surface. Here you can see this is sacropelvic surface. This is sacropelvic surface. By three borders, anterior, posterior, and medial border, it is divided into three surfaces. This surface between posterior and medial border, this is sacropelvic surface. Sacropelvic surface is again divided into, here you can see this part, this is iliac tuberosity, this is iliac tuberosity, so this part is iliac tuberosity, and lower part, here you can see this part. You can see this part. This is iliac tuberosity, here is tuberosity, iliac tuberosity, and this part is auricular surface. This is auricular surface. And next, below to this, up to here, this area, this is pelvic surface. This is pelvic surface. So this is sacropelvic surface. Sacropelvic surface is again divided into iliac tuberosity, this upper part. This upper part is iliac tuberosity. You can see here is tuberosity. This is iliac tuberosity. So this part is iliac tuberosity, and this part is auricular area. This is auricular surface. And below to this part is pelvic surface. Or pelvic part. So this sacropelvic surface divided into three parts. This side here, this is iliac surface or iliac fossa between anterior and medial border. This is medial, this is anterior border. This fossa is, this concave fossa is iliac fossa. Iliac fossa. And now third, this is outer surface. This is outer surface here. This surface is outer surface. Here anterior border, this is anterior border, this is posterior border. Between anterior and posterior border, this surface is gluteal surface. So this surface is gluteal surface. So this is gluteal surface. This surface is divided into four parts by three lines. Here is, you can see here one line. This is anterior inferior iliac spine. From here one line is here. This is inferior gluteal line. So this is inferior gluteal line, and here is another line. You can see here one line. This. This line is anterior gluteal line. So this is inferior gluteal line. Inferior gluteal line. This is anterior gluteal line. And here is, you can see this line. This is posterior gluteal line. So here is this line is posterior gluteal line. So by these 3 lines, this gluteal surface is divided into 4 parts. So this is all about the hip bone part 2. In this part you have seen in first and second part you have seen the ilium. Thank you.